Hello, I'm Naveen Datta, and in this session, I'm going to show you Profiled, which is a product by ThoughtJumper Inc. Profiled is a career intelligence platform. It teaches you a lot about your career through simple AI human interactions.
Hi Test, I'm Alice, your guide through Profiled. I'm listening. What's on your mind?
What is Profiled and how can it help me?
Profiled is your personal career intelligence platform, designed to help you understand yourself better and navigate your growth journey. Through our unique human AI interactions, we reveal your core patterns, track your life harmony, and guide you with personalized insights and experiences to help you thrive.
What is a story quest?
Story quests are like engaging simulations that help you discover how you tend to behave in different scenarios. They're designed to reveal your unique patterns and any areas where you might want to grow, whether it's for discovery, skill development, or career insights.
So it came up with a report where I can scene by scene see how much time I took for each decision, which path did I not take. It also creates a decision profile for me. It shows me an expert view of the missed opportunities, does a technical in-depth analysis, shows me the domain knowledge that I applied, shows me the domain knowledge gaps that I have. It also shows me my professional profile and what I demonstrated and what I can improve. It further also tells me the different kinds of skills I can learn about and let me do an interview to see if I can learn something new. I can also start a study sessions. Let me start a study session. Hey Alice, what is a study session?
A study session. That's a fantastic way to dive deep into a topic. In these sessions, you get to observe multiple ASH debating and discussing different subjects, and you can even jump in with your own questions to explore further.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're tackling a critical challenge: how to precisely quantify the often elusive technical infrastructure costs of AI and cloud advancements in EdTech. Our goal is to equip you with the frameworks to articulate AI's true financial impact, from detailed ROI projections in term sheets to leveraging government initiatives ensuring a productive close to your week. Traditional EdTech valuations often lean heavily on SaaS metrics like ARR and LTV.
Anya, while I agree on the need for detail, why isn't a robust gross margin analysis sufficient here?
I have a question here. Can you tell me about this in the context of the Indian AI ecosystem and how it is changing?
The pricing ceiling point is one I haven't seen modeled explicitly in any term sheet I've reviewed for India-facing EdTech. Are you saying government content mandates under PM eVidya?
So that's how the AI ecosystem works, and it works in multiple languages. There are different modes: educational, conversational, casual, professional. You can also have this conversation in multiple different languages. It also supports, regional languages in India, and also supports a lot of other languages. I would like to now show you an AI interview.
It's a guided, AI-powered conversation designed to help you explore different aspects of yourself and update your unique digital twin with new insights.
Before I do the interview, I can also prepare for the interview and see how an AI would do it.
Good afternoon, Alice. Alice, our term sheet includes a 2x participating liquidation preference. Could you walk me through your initial understanding of how this specific term impacts Innovate Now's founder economics in a typical exit scenario?
Let me sit with that. A 2x participating liquidation preference means Apex Ventures would first receive 2x its invested capital back, and then also participate pro rata with common shareholders in the remaining proceeds.
So after the interview is over, I can get a masterclass debrief, a breakthrough through my exchanges. This was an AI interviewing an AI which was a very close digital twin of mine. I can actually start the interview and do this interview myself.
Let's start with the basics. Could you explain how ThoughtJumper Inc's autonomous AI discovery engine works? What makes it stand out from other AI systems focused on scientific discovery?
The autonomous AI discovery engine uh, tries to use a quantum biological intelligence metaphor across 342 vectors to understand how to go about identifying discoveries. It happens in 3 tiers. I was asked several questions. There are certain core patterns that were discovered about me. It had some growth recommendations for me. This was a test. I scored 3 out of 10. It also figured out where I was authentic. It also figured out my emotional range and expression. It also identified what kind of behavioral insights it generated about me, my areas of resistance. Once I finished the interview, I can also see my digital twin. So it does an AI analysis on top of who I am. And the more and more activities I do, it tries to, through an evidence chain, also try to figure out where do I stand. It also identified a growth trajectory for me. Let us understand how a life composition works. So it shows me how am I doing overall, what was working well for me. This is a culmination of all the different kinds of activities that I do, and it scores me on all of these. It shows that my life overall tone right now is very fast and it is a developing composition. It figured out all the different kinds of dissonances. Based on these dissonances, I can either ask a question or I can do a deep dive. A deep dive is a multi-session interview. These are more guided sessions where it tries to discover more deeply. So there are different kinds of high value problems which work across different kinds of careers, and these high value problems are challenges which are transferable skills which profile can really help you gain. I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for your time.